i35equipment.com. This is stock number 446. It is a 45 kilowatt max output diesel generator powered by that John Deere diesel motor. It's a 4.5 liter block, or 4.5 liter motor. I'm gonna walk around and show it all over to you, and then we'll get started up. But just excuse my hand, I just cut it on a piece of metal, so it's all wrapped up. As always, welcome you to come look these generators over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic operator and electrician, or hire some local ones to look it over for you. And we always recommend a professional electrician hook it up for you. These are 5-lug wheels. Tire size is 205/75 R15. This unit does have a brand new battery on it. It is a 2-inch ball. Has trailer lights, but the trailer light hookup is missing. Looks like it got pulled off. So if you want to have trailer lights, I recommend you bring either a hookup or some magnetic ones to put on it. It does have a brand new battery on it. It is the Magna Plus Marathon electric generator. Kind of hard to see, but if you get in the right light there, right in front of you, you can see it says 45 kilowatt. I see our full and up-to-date inventory of generators and more photos on our website, www.i35equipment.com. Showing 1,004.9 hours, and that the meter was changed at 24:14. Go ahead, fire it up, and we'll do a walk around of the motor. 3, 2, 1, and fire. Taking the time to watch this video and hope it's beneficial to you. As I said earlier, you can always see our full and up-to-date inventory of generators and other consignment heavy equipment, construction and farm equipment on our website at www.i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.